Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about Numpy operation. So let me show you what exactly I am trying to say. So Numpy operation meaning Numpy array can operation with the same array. So we can say Numpy can do arithmetic operation on the array. So I can say array with array. And numpy can also do arithmetic operation on scalar values. Okay, after that we will see some universal function as well. Now let me show you with the example. So let's say import numpy as np. Okay, then np dot arrange, let's say 0 to 10, and I can assign this value array 1. Okay, if I call this array 1, so now the value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 9. Okay, now I can perform operation on different arrows. So let me create array 2. So I can mention array 2 equals to, let's say, np dot arrange again 0 to 10. Okay, so I need to correct the spelling and array 2. So I have two array 1 and array 2. So I can do arithmetic operation on this one. So array 1 plus array 2. See. Okay, so 0 0 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4, like this we can do. I can do subtraction as well. Let's say array, whatever arithmetic operation I can do here. Array 1 subtract array 2. See, so it should be 0 because the value is same. And let's say if I show you another example, so let's say I'm taking one list AR1, and let's say 1 2 3 4, and then now np dot array, and I'm passing this AR1. So see, I can assign this into, let's say, A1, and similarly I can take another list array 2 equals to, let's say, 4 5 6 7, and again I can assign this into the another variable array 2, and np dot array AR2. Okay, now I can use this A2. So see, in A1 I have value 1 2 3 4, and in A2 I have 4 5 6 7. So A1, why it is not showing? Let me check. So see, I have now, and A2 as well. So if I do addition subtraction, so I can do simply A1 plus A2. See, 5 6 7 9 11. And let's say if I make a subtraction, A1 subtract A2. Similarly, I can do multiplication. Okay, and divide. Okay, and I can also perform exponential. So I can use all the arithmetic operations here. Now let me show you one thing. So if I basically do 1 divide 0 normal in math, so it gives error. Similarly, if I do here, let me take again np dot arrange so that it would be clear for you. Let's say 0 to 9. And this time ARR 1. Okay. So basically I can use same array to addition and subtraction and multiplication to do basically operation. So meaning I don't need to create another array. If I have requirement, I have to use I have to do operation on same array that I can also do. So let me show you. Let's say array 1 sub addition array 1. So see 0 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, like this. Now let me show you the example which will give the error. Let me show you. Array 1 divide array 1. So see here, it gives the warning. Why? Because we cannot divide 0 divide 0, and it is giving name. And if 1 divide 2 and 2 divide 4, then it is giving the answer of all of the other elements. Okay. Similarly, if I do 1 divide array 1, so again it will give the infinity because 1 divide 0 is will not work. 1 divide 2 will work and other element will also work. Okay. Now let me show you the scalar values, how we can work on scalar value. So let me do again np, or we can use this array 1. So we have in array 1 we have this 0 1 0 to 9. If I want to add any scalar value, let's say 10 in every element of this array. So see, so this is a scalar value. So we can play with the scalar value as well in numpy array. I can multiply. It's 1 actually. I can subtract. So whatever I want, I can do. Sorry, I'm missing the exact name. Okay. So this is the scalar value. So we can do anything like array 2 and let's say plus array 2, array 1, and then plus 10. We can do like this as well, and then plus 20. Okay. So I hope this is clear for all of you guys. Now let's talk about some universal function. Let me create one variable u equals to, let's say, np dot arrange 0 to 5. So if I see you, so you have 0 1 2 3 4. Now np dot sqrt is the universal, or I can say inbuilt function, and I can pass this u. Now if you see the square root of 0 and 1 2, so you will get all the values. Okay. Now I can do np dot max and u, so I'll get the max value. Similarly, I can do np dot min and then u, so I'll get the minimum value. Okay. So this is the list of universal function or math operation which we can do. Trigonometric function, I can do np dot sine as well. Let's say np dot sine u. Okay. So you can follow this list and you can practice for the same. The multiple universal function, and it is difficult to do, to show each and everything. So I have given you idea. Now you can practice. So I hope video is useful. Thank you everyone.